Okay, so let's walk through our second project here. So you've already done the ingredients portion of this. Now we're going to go do the recipe portion of this. So go into your recipes. Same sort of thing here. We have a client and we have a detail client. They're two different pages, but you only have to worry about API.js. Okay, you're going to have to connect to Postgres again here. You can literally copy and paste the one from the other one. That's fine. Here you're going to have to return the recipe ID, title, and the first photo as a URL. You're going to use that distinct magic that I was showing you. And then for the recipes without photos, return the URL as defaults.jpg, which I showed you how to do with Coalesce. Okay, that's the first one. That's for the search page. Which, let me just go ahead and show you that first. I'm going to have to run npm dev again. Oh, it's already running. Localhost 3000, that's here. We're going to go into recipes. Actually, can I just do this here? Yeah, I can. This is just going to be a list of all the recipes. It's not paginated or anything fancy like that. And then here, you're going to click on like one of the recipes, and that'll take you to one of these pages. It'll show you all the ingredients, the instructions, and then like a rotational picture of all the ingredients as well as the images. So looking back at our code, so the search page, you should just have to do this one, the recipe ID, the title, and the first photo. Again, that's going to take probably 2 joins to get that. This one, you're going to return all ingredients. This is going to be a top-level item that you return. So instead of having status not implemented here, you're going to have ingredients be an array of the ingredients from the API, right? Make sure that you can use as, right? Remember as to rename things. Return the ingredient image as ingredient image, ingredient type as ingredient type, and the ingredient title as ingredient title. Probably going to be your first query, I would imagine. Okay, then you're going to have a photos row that you're going to return. This being an array. Return the title, body, and URL as named by the same. Right, so you don't have to rename those things, title, body, and URL. That's totally fine. And then finally, return the title of the entire recipe as whatever, and the body as whatever the body is. So actually, you probably don't even have to turn that. You can actually just return this as URL because I don't think it actually uses the other stuff. So I'm kind of letting you, cluing you in on how I did it, but you're welcome to do it however you want. All right. Any questions? Make sense?
For search, what are the query params?
There are no query params.
So this is more like a list.
Yeah, it could have been called list. Yeah. I don't think I even have a search box up there, do I? I don't. Yeah, there's no search. It's just listing all of the recipes.